guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video because I will be reviewing some handbags that I actually received from Verano Hill. They are an amazing handbag brand that makes a lot of like designer looking bags but for the fraction of the price, and I am so excited to share the ones that I was able to pick out, and I want to thank them so much for sending me these bags for me to review for you guys. But before we jump into this video, definitely give this one a thumbs up if you enjoy any type of handbag reviews. If you guys know, I love sharing all different kind of handbags, especially ones that are for a fraction of a price, so you guys don't have to go out spending thousands of dollars on handbags, but you can find some that are just as good quality but also for a decent affordable price. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, definitely subscribe down below, and if you want to keep up with me in real time while I'm not posting here on YouTube, definitely follow me over my Instagram, and I'll also have my TikTok link down below. So let's jump right into this bag review. So like I said, I was able to pick out 3 of their bestseller bags, and they come in these beautiful like satin bag, like dust bags, which I think are so nice that they were packaged so well. And the first bag that I picked up is the Joyce shoulder bag. I actually got this in the color gray because I don't really have like a gray bag in my collection. And let me just take out all the pieces that come with it. So this bag retails for $95, which I think is a great price. It's definitely a dupe for some of those other designer bags that you see. And I feel like the quality is so nice. Like it's like a nice thick woven like design, but because of the inside is lined, you don't have like that open kind of like woven detail where it feels like it's gonna be like gappy and stuff and things poking out. Like it's perfectly designed for that, and I love this size. Like I don't have a mini bag like this. I love this gray like pebble color, so beautiful. It does also have gold detailing and like this kind of a scrunch looking, you know, compartment to open. It does have 2 button closures that are also gold, and inside is almost like this suede feeling, which I actually love. I feel like that gives that more like luxe look to it. And it does have a little inside zipper pocket, so you can put like any more important things that you want to keep safe and secure in there. And it comes with this beautiful chain that you can actually adjust like with this little ball if you like. But I just think this is such great quality. I'm just gonna hook it onto the bag really quickly so you guys can see exactly how it looks. And this is how the chain looks on the bag, which is just so pretty. Like I just love that you can just squeeze this little ball and adjust the strap as short as you want or as long as you want. I will do a little cutaway so you guys can see me styling it, or at least like wearing it on, so you can see the different ways that you can wear it. But I love this bag so much. I know it could definitely fit your phone in here, which is great, and I know there's a lot more room for everything else that you need. Like I think this is such a great going out bag, or even an everyday like running errands bag. It's just so cute, and like I said, I love this gray color so much. It's just so pretty and such good material. Even the bottom is like kind of flat the way they made it, so like you can set it down and it's like stays up, like it doesn't fall over. So I think that was such a great idea, and it also adds some more of that space in the bag. And the great thing about this bag is that it is made with vegan leather, which is a plus in my book. This next bag I'm so excited for. I don't have a color bag like this, and as soon as I saw it I said I'm gonna need that one. And I love these bags. I feel like they got really popular recently for people. It's another like woven style bag, but this is like a shoulder tote bag, which I think I can also use for work. Like it's a great like medium in between size. And this is a Jocelyn shoulder bag in olive green, and it retails for $145. And look at this color. Oh my goodness. This is also that woven material, and although it doesn't have like a lining inside, it's still tightly woven, so you don't have to worry about it like, you know, like peeling or like separating and having gaps in it. It does have this perfect like shoulder length strap, which I think is such at a comfortable length for me. And first of all, I know this color might not be for everyone, but I love this color. Like I know it could kind of look a little, you know, funky, but to me, I love this color. I think in the fall, this is going to be great. Even in the summer with some like white pants and a nice like light outfit, this can definitely add that like nice contrast to your outfit. And the button closures are actually a magnetic, which I think is great. And it's like a strong magnetic, which is awesome. And inside it actually comes with a little pouch, which is great. I love having a little pouch in my handbags and my like work bags to keep all my like essentials in here. Like I'll keep like any like first aid things that I need, like lip gloss, chapstick, sunscreen, medications, anything. I love when bags come with these little pouches. But this bag is like so spacious, like it can definitely fit things for work. Like if you're not someone that brings like laptops and stuff, I think that's this is a great bag. You could probably even fit a laptop in here. Probably can. I think I could fit my laptop in here. But again, it has that flat kind of piece inside, so it sits flat on a table if you need it to, so it doesn't like fall over, which I think is great. I'll do another styling over here so you can see how it fits on my body, but I just love this color so much. I know some people might think it's a little like a poop color, but to me, I love it so much. Like, I love an olive green color bag. Like, I don't know how I don't have any of these color bags in my closet already, but now I finally do. So I'm excited to wear this one so badly. Probably gonna wear it to work tomorrow. And the items that they listed on their website that can fit in this bag is wallet, phone, a 13-inch laptop. So like I said, yes, you can put your laptop in there. Sunglasses with the case, a compact umbrella, hand sanitizer, tissue or small tissue pack, your iPad mini, iPad Air, a standard iPad, 10-inch Android tablet, e-readers, all of your personal care stuff, your tech accessories. Is just a great size bag for your everyday and even for work. And the last bag, which is my absolute favorite. And as soon as I opened like their website to even see about them, I said, yep, I'm gonna need this for the upcoming fall season because oh my goodness. Let me just show you. This is their Natalie handbag. It retails for $145. And I've never seen a style bag like this, which drew me to it even more. They come in 4 different colors and I had such a difficult time at choosing which color. They have a dark brown, they have a green, black, and a like lighter like cognac brown color. But I went with a brown, and I know I have brown handbags already, but I just love the brown on this. It's just so nice. But are you ready for this? Oh my goodness, like this is such a unique style bag. Like, look at that design, like the woven, like crisscross chevron type of design with this little triangle. Like my hand fits perfectly there. And then when you open it up, it's like a little basket almost. It has like the flat surface again, so you can just like set it down on the table. But it comes with an insert, a little pouch. So it's open like this inside, which you could probably still carry around if you just want to hold it like that without the pouch. Of course, this one is a little bit more open, so you might have to be a little careful, but it does have the little clips for the crossbody strap, which I'll be using it both ways. You could just hold it like this or use a strap, but it comes with a little pouch. And this looks so like fancy with their little logo on there, and it's like a drawstring pouch. Just open it up. Such a great decent size. And you just had this pouch that you could put in for your everyday wear, and then you have the strap, and this is the crossbody strap. So let me just hook this on so I can show you guys. And this one does have that yellow gold hardware, but look at that. Such a nice little bag. Like, I love this so much. You can adjust the straps. You just like take them out this little hole right there, and you can adjust it to the other holes to make it shorter or longer. Again, I'll put the side-by-side video of me trying it on, but I love this. Like, I'm going to wear this to work, going out for a dinner, just going out on an everyday weekend outing. Just so nice. The structure is so different. I've never seen a bag. I don't know if there's a designer bag like this, but I've never seen a bag in my life that has this design, and I just thought this was so unique. Wear it in the summer, spring, fall. I just think it'll work for all seasons. It's definitely a universal bag, and it's definitely spacious enough for everything that I need. Like, I love these size bags for my everyday wear because I do carry a lot of stuff, like random stuff, like I said, my little emergency kits that I have, but also I don't need like a big jumbo bag all the time. Like, this is a perfect universal everyday kind of bag, which I love. And the quality, oh my goodness, it's just so nice. Again, vegan leather, and this you can also fit a tablet in it. So if you have an iPad mini, an iPad, an Android tablet, even if you have your Kindle and stuff, this can fit inside. So those are all the bags that I was able to receive from them, which once again, I want to thank them so much for sending me those items and letting me pick out some of their best sellers. They do have a ton more on their website that you guys can pick from. It was definitely a hard choice for me to pick which bags I wanted because there are so many nice bags on there, even some for like wedding guest bags, or even like a wedding if you're the bride, you can even find one on there. Your everyday, going out, going to work, going on a trip, just so many different styles that you could pick from for a really decent price, but also that great luxe quality. So I want to thank Verano Hill again for allowing me to pick out these handbags to share with you guys. I know I'm going to get my everyday wear out of all of them, and I can't wait to share them with you as I wear them on my everyday. So definitely check out my Instagram so you can see some of those outfits, or even on my TikTok. But yeah, I want to thank them so much, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.